Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create attachment inputs in the designer. We're first going to drag and drop a file upload input from the left-hand menu to the desired location on our page. Once in place, we can click the module to change its configurations. When the module is selected, you will see dashed lines around it, and this will bring the contextual menu on the right. Here, we must first select the named range this input will be associated with from the named range selection. This drop-down will give us a list of all available named ranges with the cell references in parentheses. Name is the text label that will be displayed next to this input. The system will automatically populate the named range into this field once you make that selection. We can simply change this by clicking and editing. Horizontal and vertical label alignments can be adjusted from the corresponding drop-downs. The label text can be further customized using the label size selector. Tooltip text will be displayed when you mouse over this input. This can be used to hint your end users as to what they need to enter into this field. The friendly name tag can be used to print the input name. Next, we must define the file types this input will accept. We can choose from the types under the accepted file types list and add any number of formats. If you try uploading a different type of file, you will receive an error. We can also set a maximum allowed file size for attachments. This parameter is in kilobytes. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes to this input.